Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into iTrent Payroll Account. So if you also want to log into iTrent Payroll Account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and paste this link. You can see the link over here. Now press enter. Or you can also click on the search bar. Now type in iTrent Payroll log in, press enter. Now here you'll be able to see the website for ESS login. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be left to the login interface of iTrent. From here you'll be able to log into your account. First of all, enter your username. Make sure to enter the valid username. If you have forgotten your username, click on this option forgotten username. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on the option forgotten password and then you'll be able to reset it. After you've provided the correct credentials, all you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into iTrent Payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.